Imli Ki Chutni or tamarind sauce is a popular dip used with appetizers and sides in Pakistan and India. Let's see how to make it.
Hello everyone. The ingredients we need are half teaspoon ginger, half teaspoon salt, quarter cup tamarind, half teaspoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon cumin seed powder, half teaspoon fennel seeds, and a quarter cup brown sugar. We will cook it in 2 cups of water. Add 2 cups of water, tamarind, salt, chili powder, chaat masala, ginger, cumin seed powder, fennel seeds, and sugar. I'm saving red chili flakes for later use. I will cook it until it gets soft, then I will remove the pits. I use brown sugar in this, but if you don't get brown sugar and you don't have that, you can use the normal sugar as well. After the mixture is thickened, make sure you remove all the pits from the mixture. Take all the pits like this, or you can use the pitless tamarind as well.
And this is very hot, so please make sure don't use your finger like Fiza is doing. Only Fiza can do that.
Pour back the mixture into the pan. Now I will blend it. Make a smooth paste. Now I will add my red chili flakes and cook it for next 3 to 4 minutes. Tamarind sauce is ready to serve.